STEM is the key to unlocking our students' potential. In our STEM education program, we give them the tools to think critically and solve problems. By learning through play, they're developing skills that go beyond the classroom. They're learning how to innovate and think like future leaders. Reflection is an essential part of our STEM activity. After students build and program their models, they reflect on what they learned and how they can improve their designs. This process helps them develop resilience and a growth mindset, skills that will serve them for life.
At Radians School, we know that innovation begins early. By integrating science, technology, engineering, and math into our students' daily lives, we're preparing them for a world that's constantly evolving. The future needs thinkers, creators, and leaders, and that starts here